Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as promised from my last upload, I did mention that I was going to show you guys a step-by-step eyebrow routine. So I'll be showing you guys that today. This method that I'll be using today is very easy, it's very effective, it's literally beginner friendly, so there's nothing to worry about. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So you're going to need a spoolie, an eyebrow pencil, and a concealer brush. Just 3 easy things. As I said, this method is very beginner friendly, so everybody, supposed to have these 3 products. So firstly, using the spoolie, you're going to want to brush your brows upward, and then make sure that your eyebrow pencil is well sharpened. You want to make sure that you're using one that is sharpened, and you're going to just outline the tail. So basically, you're just going to draw a line at the tail, not really a line, like some strokes at the tail. Because I don't really want to give it a sharp look. By drawing a line, it will give it that look. So at the tail, just going to do some strokes, which is going to form out in a line. But you don't just want to do the, like back in the days, 2016, you normally just draw a line. No, we don't want to give it that effect. So we're just going to do some small strokes to mimic the hair. So we did that at the bottom. So now we're going to go at the top and do the same thing. I feel like doing this method, it gives you a more natural but still on fleek brows. So this is the method that I'm using. Just some small hair-like strokes. And you notice I haven't touched the front as yet. So after doing that, you want to go in with this spoolie again just to brush out all the harsh lines. You don't want a harsh line in this. So now I'm just going to take the pencil and work my way up to the front, lightly, very lightly. You don't want to press down. Very lightly. Work my way to the front. And then we're just going to brush that out with a spoolie. You want to have that transition from light to dark. So as you guys could see, the front is very much lighter than the tail. What most people normally do is like fill the tail in with an eyeshadow. You guys could do that if you want that type of eyebrow, but we won't be doing that today. So as you guys can see, it's very defined and natural, I must say. So now we're going in with the concealer, and I'm going to use the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. I'm using the shade because it's the closest to my skin tone, because we're going for that natural brows. I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm just going to take the smallest amount on my concealer brush. I'm just going to carve out the front portion of the brow, just to clean it up a little. So now I'm going to go in with a lighter concealer just to give it that halo effect. Just under the brow, in the arch, like literally in the arch. So at the front we use a very light skin tone concealer, and from the arch to the end we're using a lighter concealer. We're just following the shape of the natural brows. So after doing that, I personally like to get in a bigger brush and just diffuse the the end of the concealer to blend it out. Then just go in with a fluffy eyeshadow brush and blend it out. You could always go in again and clean up the lines a little bit more. If you're planning on wearing foundation, you could go ahead and use your foundation shade. I'm going to use mine to just carve out the top. If I don't plan on wearing foundation, I don't really wear eyebrows alone. But if you don't plan on wearing foundation, you can leave it as is. But if you plan to do a full face, you can go ahead and use the foundation shade to just carve out the top. I'm going to do that now, just to get a cleaner, sharper brow. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going in with the fluffy eyeshadow brush again. I'm just going to blend that out. So after doing that, now you want to set the hairs in place. I'm just going to use eyelash glue. If you have brow gel, you could go ahead and use that and skip this step. You could use the brow gel, but I personally like using eyelash glue because this really keeps the brow hairs in place, like literally in place. So I'm just gonna put it on, brushing them upward. And I'm using the smallest amount of glue, just so I have control. Okay, so while that dry, I'm gonna go ahead and do the next brow, then you guys could just watch me. So this is basically how I do my brows, guys. It's very simple, easy to follow. Like, it's very easy. If you follow this method like step by step, I promise you your brows wouldn't look nothing less than on fleek. So make sure to follow this brow step. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any more requests. My next video I think will be on how to apply lashes, because that is the most asked question, like literally all my friends. How do you apply lashes? How do you apply lashes? I might do that in my next video. Stay tuned for that. So yeah, basically that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, and I want to thank you guys for all the love that you have been showing me. I mean, through watching all my videos, liking, subscribing, you know, commenting. I really appreciate it. You guys are helping me to reach my goal. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.